Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritesh Badhan, and in this video I am going to share with you one of the very important formal letters, the letter for placing an order. But before we get into the example of that letter, let's first of all see what do we understand in general by letters. The most common form of written communication is the letter. The letters are written in a proper format, a format that goes with the latest conventions. Types of letters include informal letters and formal letters. Informal letters are written to close associates, to friends or relatives. And the types of formal letters include: number 1, application for a job; number 2, letters to the editor; then number 3, business or official letters, which are written for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders, and sending replies. Dear students, this is a very important video, as in this video I am going to share with you a complete format of the letter for placing an order, and also I'll share with you what to write in such letters. So now let's see how to write a letter for placing an order. Please remember that you are supposed to use the addresses and the other details related to the letter that you are going to write from the question paper only. You are not supposed to reveal your own identity. In case the question in the question paper is saying that you are Mr. Asher, then in that case you have to be Mr. Asher. And if the question says that you are a resident of 304 Kamla Nagar, Delhi, then you have to mention your address as 304 Kamla Nagar, Delhi. What I mean to say is that you are not going to write your own name or your own address. You will write the name and the address which are given in the question only. So now let's discuss the format of the letter for placing an order in detail. Number 1, sender's address as given in the question paper. And number 2, date. Example 24 May 20XX. If you write 24/5/20XX, this will be considered as a wrong format of the date. So the correct format of the date is 24 May 20XX. Got it? And then number 3 is receiver's address, again as given in the question paper. And then number 4, subject. Example, supply of books for school library, or placing an order for books for the school library, or placement of order for the books. And then number 5, salutation. Salutation, what you will write? Dear sir or ma'am or madam. Dear sir or dear madam. And then number 6, body. In the body of a letter for placing an order, you are supposed to write the details of the items that you wish to order. And then number 7 is ending. And what you are going to write in ending? Yours sincerely, or yours faithfully, or yours truly. XYZ ABC, that means sender's name and designation same as given in the question paper. Dear students, before we move further, I would like to make a very humble request to all of you to kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your companions. The links to all my videos are given in the description box below. Please spare some time to explore my other videos too. Let us read this question together. As head of the music department of your school, write a letter to the proprietor, manager, Senor Music House, New Delhi, placing an order for some musical instruments. You are Kapil, Kavita of Aaron Public School, Sangam Vihar, New Delhi. Let us read it again together. As a head of the music department of your school, write a letter to the proprietor or manager, Sanyo Music House, New Delhi, placing an order for some musical instruments. You are Kapil or Kavita of Aaron Public School, Sangam Vihar, New Delhi. Here is the answer of the letter for placing an order. Please watch this very carefully. First of all, on the top, the sender's address. And here the sender's address is Aaron Public School, Sangam Vihar, New Delhi, 13 August 20 dash. This is the date. And then after leaving one line, the receiver's address. The manager, Sanyo Music House, New Delhi. And then again leaving a line, the subject. Placement of order for musical instruments. And then after leaving a line, the salutation. And salutation here is, Dear Sir. And then the body. Let's read the body together. This is to inform you that our school management has decided to place an order with your company for the supply of musical instruments. The list is given below. The price quotation submitted by your agent has been approved and the institutional discount offered by you has been accepted. Kindly make it convenient to deliver the following items in 10 days. And then the list of the items and number of pieces. Violin 5, guitar 3, musical keyboard 1, and tabla 2. And then finally, I believe that proper packing of the instruments will be taken care of and the responsibility of any damage caused during transportation shall rest with you. The payment will be made through a crossed check to your agent after delivery. And then finally the ending. Yours sincerely, Kapil, Head of Music Department. This is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your companions. Thank you so much for watching.